of 1995, or 3, may have the consequences of unfairly disadvantaging another party to the dispute. 6. Despite the provisions of this rule, but subject to the provisions of sub-rule 1, subsection F, the Commissioner may, on application brought in accordance with Rule 31, allow a person not contemplated by sub-rule 1 to represent a party at arbitration proceedings before the Commission after considering a. whether it is unreasonable to expect the applicant party to deal with the dispute without representation after considering the factors set out in sub-rule 1C. B. The reason why a person contemplated in Rule 25 cannot represent the applicant party, which includes affordability if applicable.